also the switching substation that is interconnected to the national grid. We are monitoring all the mechanical parameters, all the electrical parameters, and not only monitoring but also storing on a database that is a real-time database that whenever there is an event, we can go back and we can see exactly what happened and how it helps the operators and the maintenance group to diagnose and fix the problems quickly. Another big I would say benefit of this project has been implemented with worldwide technical people. And the final integration was done in Pakistan by Pakistanis. Emerson Pakistan did all the final integration because this is where you have all the devices and all the components that are furnished by different manufacturers, the TE, Bentley. So at the end of the day, this is a fully integrated system for Unit 5 and 6. The operators also control.
Today is the first phase we have.
First phase. We have
5 and 6. First, that means 200 megawatts.
Yeah, we are adding, yes. Each unit has increased 35% to 135%, 135 megawatt at maximum head. At the head is reduced, the generation is reduced. But they're now generating, you can see, about 109 megawatts, 110, and the existing units are in the 90s.
Very
so
good.
It has improved.